After the installation of air conditioning on July 2022, we decided to do a quick makeover on Blues the Series 3. The plan was to repaint the vehicle so it will look fresh and shiny for the wedding day. We only got about 1 month to finish the job before the wedding day date on September 24, 2022. Since we work on a very tight timing, we call this one as a Project August Rush. We ran out of indoor space that time at the workshop. We made an emergency tent on the outdoor space so we can working on the vehicle under it. The weather was quite random that time. Sometimes it can be raining heavily, sometimes it can be hot and sunny. It was a challenging month. We bought the paint on our trusty shop, Lost Mini. We flattened the body paint first, and then we apply filler putty on some dents on the body. Then we flatten it again until it's getting smooth and ready for gray primer. We try to preserve the original body lines, spot welds, and rivets from getting overfilled with filler putty. We apply gray primer base first before we went for body color paint. Gray primer base applied, and we're ready for body paint color. On August 25 to 28, 2022, I attended Land Rover Club Indonesia 35th years anniversary event. Meanwhile, the crew at the workshop were pushing their progress on respraying and finishing Blues the Land Rover. The event was also an inauguration night for me and my friends as Land Rover Club Indonesia Organization Committee. Means attending this event is a must for me. Back again at the workshop. Finally, the Land Rover finished on marine blue for the body and limestone for the wheels and roof. I'm quite satisfied with the result. It looks great and sounds so beautiful like the original Burma Bright aluminum body of a series Land Rover. We kept the original details preserved, such as spot welds, rivets, and body lines. Original Land Rover body has a unique style. There are some kind of waves on Burma Bright aluminum body. It looks straight, but not that too straight. More like a World War II era plane. coba mobil, pasang AC. Ini dashboardnya baru nih, tuker. Ini habis dibungkus ulang sama Makeover Works. Sininya habis gue semir pakai nano black polisher di Murah Meriah di Rover. Kita lagi cuci si biru, si blues. After a month of works, finally the makeover project is ready for the wedding day. The team did very well and on time, even earlier than the deadline.